In this video, I'm going to show you how to change TikTok username without waiting 30 days. So we know that if you change your username, you can actually change it every 30 days, as you can see here. But the trick is you go to your settings, then you find general, and then from there you click on date and time. Then basically what you would do is you need to remove this set automatically. Now for some reason I have this restriction, I don't know what it is, but you remove it and then set your time back in the past, like 32 days, and then change your username. If that doesn't work, open up Safari, tap in TikTok support, share your feedback, enter email address, username, topic, and how we can help, and then just say, please, can I change my username? My friend did it, I was hacked. Just say whatever, and they'll be gladly help you out. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.